CCD sensor, installation, and debugging. Upon receipt of the goods, our standard package includes sensor with mounting block included, matching sensor adjustment bracket. First, we install the adjustment bracket. Select the appropriate mounting orientation based on field conditions. Then we take out the CCD sensor. Press the concave surface of the mounting module tightly against the material. When installing the sensor, pay attention to the installation direction. The right side of the video shows the screw direction, and the left side shows the nut direction. Tighten the adjustment bracket screws securely, but avoid over-tightening. Finally, remove the installation module. Sensor installation completed. Connect and power up the sensor. Look at the vertical line below the sensor. In the video, we need to calibrate the edges of the material. If the vertical line is not aligned with the target edge, we need to move the adjustment frame to align the vertical line with the target. After rough alignment, minor adjustments are needed to make it more accurate. If you directly adjust the fine adjustment knob and find that it cannot be turned, the fastening knob needs to be loosened before adjusting the fine-tuning knob. Adjust the fine-tuning knob to align the red vertical line accurately with the target. Align and tighten the fastening knobs on both sides. Tighten the fixed knob above to prevent the sensor from shifting left or right. If two red horizontal lines appear below the sensor at this time, loosen the fixing screws appropriately. Adjust the sensor position so that the two red horizontal lines coincide. Finally, tighten the fixing screws to complete the adjustment of the sensor. At this point, the red horizontal line coincides, and the red vertical line coincides with the target position.